Here's how I learned drawing fast without the help of art schools, teachers, or mentors. So I was able to improve my art drastically in the past 5 to 6 years because I followed this one little habit that has massively contributed to the improvement of my artistic skills. And it's this 100-day challenge. Every single year around May, right now it is switched to August, around that time I would sit down and give myself a 100-day challenge where I just need to show up a little for like 6 minutes each day to draw something. And the thing is, if I want to draw more on that given day, I can draw more. If not, I just need to show up for 6 minutes. I did that every single year for the past 5 years. And each day for that challenge, I wouldn't just show up for 6 minutes. I would actually do more. 30 minutes, 90 minutes, 2 hours, 3 hours, and 5 hours. But on some days, it'll be just 6 minutes. But most days, I was drawing more. And as a result, I was creating these drawings and illustrations over and over and over again. And think about it. Over the past 5 years, I've just created 500 to 600 drawings and illustrations just as part of the challenge, not to add all the other drawings that did part from the challenge. Just this focused season in a year where I just focused on this thing and I got good. And each time I made a drawing, each day, I was trying to get 1% better. Just 1%, just tiny little improvement from yesterday. Can I draw those lines better? Can I try to imitate some sort of colors better in this drawing? Or can I just improve my flow in the drawings? It was just little by little by little by little. And the thing is, all those 1% won't add up and it won't just be like 500% improvement over the past 5 years. It's 1,000%, 2,000% because it's compounding every single time. Over time, I will get more for the very same amount of work that I put in because the illustrations I create today, which takes me 60 to 90 minutes, would have taken me 6 to 9 hours 3 years back. It's less time, but more output. I'm able to do more with less time. So that's the thing that I personally did. Picked one thing like cartooning or character design, took up a challenge during a particular season in a given year for 100 days, made it easy for me to show up to that challenge, and did that challenge consistently for the past 5 or 6 years. That's all I did. If you want to do this challenge yourself, I've written an ebook called 100 Days of Sketching, which explains my philosophy on this particular challenge and how it has improved other people's art than just myself who turn into children's book illustrators and comic book artists. Go check it out and see if you can do this challenge yourself. Might help. So that's it for this week's episode of 2 Minute Tuesdays, my friends. See you in the next one, where it's not going to be 2 minutes, but we will still call it 2 Minute Tuesdays.